Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to use an EC2 instance inside your VS Code with the help of SSH. Let us get started. I have already created an EC2 instance and I have also logged in here. So if I type here, so it contains just the two files, some dummy sample files. Now I want to open these files in a Visual Studio Code. So how can I do that? So first, to open the Visual Studio Code app, okay, I have already installed. So if you have not installed, please check in the App Store. Go to this extension tab and type remote SSH. Install this SSH saying remote SSH by Microsoft. Yeah, once you install, on the left side you can see something called as a remote explorer. Click on the remote explorer. You can see no SSH has been configured yet. Now we want to configure with an SSH. We need to click on the new. So now we need to type our commands. Okay. For typing these commands, I can simply go here and right click and I'm clicking on the connect. Going to the SSH, I have the command here. I'm going to copy the command and I'm going to paste it over here. Before hitting enter with this command, right, you need to ensure where this PEM file is located so that VS Code can be able to locate your PEM file. Currently, my file is being located on the desktop and under that AWS keys and under that youtube-test.pem. So first of all, I need to get this directory in a terminal so that I can ensure everything is working fine. So now I'm opening a terminal and this is my new terminal. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for our convenience. So now I need to go to the desktop. I'm typing desktop, and then I need to go to the AWS key files. Okay. Now if I put ls, so you can see, yeah, my PEM file is located just here. Now I want to copy this path. Okay, so if I want to know the full path directory, right, I can type pwd. Pwd stands for present working directory. I can just put pwd. So this is my full path for this command. I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to just paste it here. So just ensure, so ssh --i and then the full path and /youtube-pem. So this is very important. So please ensure this command is correct. If you want to double check this, you can just copy and you can put it on the terminal. So it should log into your EC2 instance. So if it is not logging in, so currently if you can see, it is logged into my EC2 instance. So if it has not been logged in, there is something problem with your command. Fix it right here before moving to your VS Code. Now I'm exiting. So I'm just going to hit an enter. So it's going to ask me where should I save this configuration. I'm going to leave as it is default. So now it has been asked, it has been saved. So all that I'm going to give is I'm going to click on this new. So yeah, access the, okay, it's asking me to access the, yeah, so it is setting up. Okay, yeah, now I have connected. I can click on the home. Okay, it's asking me which folder should I open from the server. I'm going to leave as it is for now, home/ubuntu. I'm going to hit OK. Yeah, I'm going to trust all those things. Yeah. So now it has been opened. So now I can edit as I want. I can type in some sample commands. This line is from VS Code and I can save the file. Now if I go back to terminal and if I put like ls, oh no, I still haven't authorized. Again, I'm going logging back. So now I'm inside my EC2 Ubuntu instance. Now I'm typing, yeah, if I put cat sample.txt, you can see, right? So what are the files that we are going to use? It's going to update live. So by this way, right, guys, you can even actually develop a real software inside a VS Code without even installing anything on your local.